Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are doing a review on the Halo LED. This is a whole home air purification system. This is new technology that we're looking at here, basically using LED UV light, and it does take out a lot of particulates from the air. And so yeah, we can go through this box and you'll see what comes in it, and also on the side here we'll show all the features. Right here are the features that we are looking at. As you can see, all the reductions that it takes away from the air. Basically, you install this in your duct stream. Here we got a image of an air conditioning system in ductwork. As you can see, basically it just, anything that flows through it, it kills in the air. Here's the item. Here's some writing about the item in there. Alright, here's some more writing here on the box. It looks like it is washable as well on there, so that's a pretty cool feature. It does have a self-cleaning. Pretty cool. All right. And then here's the front of this section here. So we'll go ahead and open this up now. All right, we'll go ahead and open this guy up. All right, so we got that open. So start off with this box here. Go ahead and open this guy up. So pull this guy out here. So a couple of things you have here are, looks like got a relay on there, comes in the box. Of course, you do want to follow these instructions there. Alright, and then warranty information, and then some brochure information on that. More information. That, and then again more information there. So I'm assuming this is probably one of the forums or instructions on how to install it. But basically you just install it in the duct stream, but it comes with that information. This insulation there goes between, so when you put it onto the ductwork, it creates a complete seal, no air leaks. You got that piece, and it comes with so that's what you get in the box. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take this box out here, and yeah, there you go. That's it right there. So pull this guy out of the box. Alright, so you got this piece here. This is the template you would use to cut out the hole of the ductwork of where you're installing this product. And it basically has cutouts here. You place that onto the ductwork, cut it out, and then go ahead to install it. There is, since this system is ran off of 24 volts, there will be a little bit of control wiring that you will have to worry about. So on this here, you got the LED lights, so you can see right here, and then when the air passes through here, basically creates that zapping where it kills all the stuff going through the air. And on the back side, you would then get the fresh air, which will go into your ductwork at that point. This is the entire piece here. Alright, so yeah, that was the review of the Halo LED. New technology here that we have. Basically whole house air purification system. If you're interested in us installing one of these for you, they are pretty limited at this point just because of the time frame. but we are in stock still. So yeah, just give us a call and we can provide you with some service to install these for you. All right, thank you very much and you have a good day. Bye bye.